Hi, thank you for listening to the Patricia Show or tuning in to the Patricia Show. Don't forget to subscribe and then share this video with people that you know that is trying to increase their finances. Okay, so I'm going to stop the lecturing to offer you an actual a manifestation technique. Okay, so this one is going to be for people who are working a traditional 9 to 5 job and you want to increase your income. This is for you. This is not one for people who have a business and you're trying to increase your earnings. I'll give you one for that later. This is if you, again, if you're working for someone else and you're trying to increase your income. So I'm going to say if this is for everybody who makes less than $10,000. If you make more than $10,000, and send me write it down in the comments, and I'll make another one for people who make more than $10,000 a month. Okay, so this one is to bring to you so that you will be earning $10,000 a month. Okay. So now you could say this silently or you say it out loud. It does not matter. But every day, all day, throughout the day, you will say, I will earn $10,000 a month. I shall earn $10,000 a month. I will earn $10,000 a month. Now, you could either again, say it silently or say it to yourself. If you're busy during the day and you have to stop thinking about it during the day because you're doing something else, that's fine. But when you finish doing whatever it is you're doing, go back to saying it in your mind or verbally. I will earn $10,000. I will earn $10,000 a month. I will earn $10,000 a month. I shall earn $10,000 a month. Okay, so now if you okay, so I gave an exercise for you to say wealth at night to raise your vibration frequency to wealth. If you've already started that one, that's fine. You could do that every night. So you'll say wealth, wealth, wealth. Go back to that particular audio and listen to it. But if you're doing that at night, continue doing that at night. And you will simply just add this one to the daytime. Because when I do affirmations, you have to do them once in the day. I mean, do an affirmation for the day part and then affirmation for the night part, because that helps you. The money comes to you quicker. You don't have to wait like a whole year for it. You should actually get whatever you're asking for within 90 days. Okay. So, again, if you're already saying the wealth one at night, keep saying that. And then in the daytime, you would add this one. I will earn $10,000 a month. I shall earn $10,000 a month. Okay. Now, if you're not doing the other exercise where you're repeating wealth all night, like a lullaby as you go off to sleep. If you're not doing that yet, if you've heard the audio, but you haven't started yet, if you haven't heard the audio and you haven't started yet, then you would do this one. In the daytime, you would do, I will earn $10,000 a month. And at night, you would repeat like a lullaby, like you're going off to sleep, just before you go off to sleep. And then you would say, I will earn $10,000 a month. I will earn $10,000 a month. And just say that as you fall off to sleep. So you're going to say that like a lullaby as you fall on off to sleep. And then in the daytime, you'll wake up and begin to repeat that in your mind all day. I will earn $10,000 a month. I shall earn $10,000 a month. I will earn $10,000 a month. Okay? So that's if you're not doing the wealth one at night. You'll say, I will earn $10,000 a month, day and night. And if you're already saying the wealth at night, then you'll continue saying the wealth at night and just add to the daytime, I will earn $10,000. I will earn $10,000 a month. I will earn $10,000 a month. Okay? And again, you could say it either out loud or to yourself. It does not matter. Okay. If you have any question, please put them in the comments, and I'll try to get your answer back right away. And that's it. And again, this exercise is for people who are working 9 to 5 type jobs, and you're looking for, you want to get increase your income. Now, I don't know. Like again, I don't know how many of you out there in YouTube land are making a certain amount of money, per month. Like I don't know how many is making 10,000 or 15,000, 60,000. I have no clue. So that's why I just wanted to do this one first. If you're not making 10,000 a month, this would be good for you, and you want to make 10,000 a month. Now, if you're already making 10,000 a month and you want to make more, just simply put it in the comments, and then I'll make another audio on that. But again, this one you're going to earn 10,000 a month. Now, it could take anywhere from a day to 21 days for you to see a result. Sometimes it might even be 20. Sometimes it might be more than 21 days, but you will have your results within the 90 days, because this particular affirmation, you definitely have your results within that 90-day period. Okay, so I think that's all. Again, thank you for listening to the Patricia Show. Write down any questions you have. It's better for you to ask me the question, give me time to answer it, and then start the exercise after you get the answer to your question, instead of doing the exercise and doing it wrong and then have to start all over again. You know what I mean? So if you don't understand it, just put what I'm saying, just please send me put a comment and put something in the comments, and I'll get back with you as soon as I see it. So anyway, don't forget to subscribe, and forward this exercise lesson off, money lesson, to people that you know that need to increase their income. All right, so thank you so much. You have a wonderful day.